Welcome to wizard.com. I'm maths teacher Aditi. We have this question here. AOBC is a rectangle whose three vertices are A 0, 3, O 0, 0 and B 5, 0. Since rectangles have both the diagonals of equal length, we can find one diagonal, that is diagonal AB, and the length of that diagonal will be required answer. So let's see. Length of diagonal AB is nothing but distance between points A and B. And we know distance between any two points can be calculated by x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square units. So we'll simply put the values here. So DAB is x1 is 0, x2 is 5, 0 minus 5 whole square plus 3 minus 0 whole square, which is equal to 5 square is minus 5 square is 25. So 25 plus 3 square is 9, under root of 25 plus 9, which is under root of 34 units. So length of AB, that is diagonal, is under root of 34 units. Answer is option C.